What's up, guys? Today we're taking an honest look at BitChat, Jack Dorsey's experimental offline messaging app that promises secure, peer-to-peer communication without internet or phone numbers. But is it ready for real-world use? Let's find out. BitChat is a decentralized messaging platform that uses Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE mesh networking to relay encrypted messages across nearby devices, meaning it requires no Wi-Fi, cellular service, or accounts. It's end-to-end encrypted, supports group rooms with password protection, dummy traffic to mask usage, offline store and forward delivery, and even a panic swipe feature that erases all data. Initial demand was high. iOS beta slots filled up within hours, but it remains a beta project. The code is open source and public domain, covering iOS, macOS, and Android clients. It is said that future builds may include Wi-Fi direct support to expand range and bandwidth. Its pros: it works offline during blackouts, protests, or remote areas, so meaning it requires no internet connection. It's fully private, meaning no servers, no signups, and no data tracking. It has strong encryption and anti-surveillance features so no one can spy on you. Now it has its cons though to be cautious about. It's still untested by security experts, or buffer overflow attacks. It's not meant for sensitive use until independently audited and hardened. It has limited network reach. BLE mesh requires high node density, so reliability depends on device density. Currently, it's still in the beta phase, meaning there are still very few users out there giving their opinions online. But as I search for info, it's being talked about right now on the internet. Now for the bottom line, BitChat is a bold, privacy-centric tool built for resilience. It shines in scenarios where traditional networks fail or are unsafe. But it's still in beta, with major security and reliability improvements needed before it can be trusted for critical use. For tech enthusiasts or activists in restrictive environments, it's worth watching, but only use it with caution and awareness of its current limitations. After all, it's very new that it's still in early access, meaning it's not an official release yet. And that's our take on BitChat. Thanks for watching.